welcome back to Angie in Wonderland, and it had been a while, it seems, since I have sat down and actually shared something with you guys like this. It's just like vlogging takes over, and that's kind of what you focus on every single day, and then when you need to sit down, it's like, oh wow, I'm actually sitting down sharing something with you guys. So today I am going to share with you a few things that I picked up at Old Navy. A lot of the stuff is for Brian, but I did pick up a lot of things for me as well, but I thought I was going to go ahead and share those with you guys. We are going to be gone for the entire week of the 4th of July. We are going to be in Chicago, and then we are going to be driving back and stopping off at my mom and dad's and staying there for 3 days, and then making our way back home. And while we're gone, obviously we're going to need 4th of July attire. We have a birthday party to go to, a family reunion to go to, 4th of July celebrations to go to. So we have a full packed schedule while we are gone, and of course we have to look cute, right? So, and Old Navy is my place to go, so I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys some of the stuff that I picked up at Old Navy. So let's get started. Alrighty, so first things first, I fell in love with these shoes. Look how cute they are. They've got red and white stripes back here, and then they got navy blue and white stars in the front. These are adorably cute. I mean, I know I'm going to wear them, not sure exactly when, but I'm going to bring them with me just in case, because I know that sometimes Illinois weather is kind of funky, and I know even though this week they're having like a hot spell, by the time we get there it'll probably be back in the 50s again. So my feetsies might get cold, but anyway, I just think they're cute anyway, just to wear that entire week with something, because it's so 4th of July. These are super cute. I wear a size 9. Everything in the store was 40 and 50% off, so I got these on sale, which is really cute. They were $22.99. I got them on sale. Love them. And they feel so soft inside, and so, I mean, amazingly soft. So I'm excited to wear these. I'm excited to, like, you know, showcase them off with my cute 4th of July stuff. Alright, is that it? No. Okay, I'll get those ones out. And just, oh, did she put that in there? Yeah, they are. Okay. Okay, so I know for like the 4th of July, every year, it's so funny, I always dressed my boys in like a 4th of July t-shirt from Old Navy. That was like an every year thing. Obviously when they went to the swimming pool, they couldn't wear it, but when they were little, mainly when they were little, I always used to dress them the same with all those t-shirts from Old Navy. But anyway, so throughout the years, I've always done that. Even with me and Brian, let's see, I don't know, the last couple years we haven't, because we've always been like next door swimming, but anyway, nonetheless, I picked up a shirt for Brian. It's just a gray like t-shirt with the Old Navy logo and stuff on it. I just kind of thought maybe he'd wear this like the day that we go out on the boat or something. We're supposed to be going out on a boat while we're with my mom and dad the day after 4th of July. So I kind of thought maybe he'd wear this like on the boat with his 4th of July bathing suit or whatever, or he could wear it like 4th of July, whatever he wants to do, he can wear it. I also picked him up a new pair of navy blue shorts, because he seems to wear the same like shorts over and over and over again. And I like several pairs of different kinds of shorts, so like I need more white ones. I keep wearing the same white ones and I need more white ones, which I didn't find. But anyway, I got him some navy blue shorts that he can wear with even like that shirt I just showed you, or whatever shirts he has in his closet at this moment. And then I got him these shorts because I love this color, and I just kind of wanted something different for him. I think these would look really cute with like a white polo shirt, or even like navy blue shirt would be really cute with these. So I got him these shorts because he'll look super cute in them. As long as he lets me dress him, he'll be cute. And then for myself, I think that was it for myself. Oh, no, I got him another pair of shorts. They're right here. And then I got him another pair of like tan shorts, because he needed like another pair of tan ones. So I got him a pair of tan ones. So now he has like 3 pairs of shorts and a shirt and several shirts that I bought for him a couple weeks ago. So he seems to be kind of all set for the summer. Now for me, I got this shirt, and I didn't want to get it in the XXL, but that's all they had. But I kind of thought, well, if I wore it with like a navy blue tanky underneath it, it probably wouldn't look so bad. But I also like my stuff to be baggy, but not like ginormous. But look at how cute this shirt is. It is just like a regular like tank top with silver stars on it, and I thought how cute this would be, again, to wear like out on the boat with a tanky underneath it. I probably will not wear a bathing suit while I'm with my family, but I will wear this like on the boat or whatever, so I thought this was really cute, so I thought I'd pick it up. And again, it's kind of flowy, so it'll work really well for, you know, the purpose of being on the boat. Of course, for 4th of July time, I thought it was cute, so I'm excited about that shirt. And then oh, another thing I got for Brian was this like really cute shirt. I thought he could wear this with those tan shorts. This is super cute. It's actually kind of like thick material and heavy, but I thought, you know, I think I might have him wear this to the birthday party that we're going to be attending next Saturday night with his tan shorts. So I thought this would be really cute for him to wear. So yeah, he's going to look really, really handsome in it. I like, oh, it's a slim. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. We'll have to see if he can wear it or not. But I liked it. I thought it was cute. And then, okay, now for myself. I got this dress. Now, I tried it on because I was a little skeptical about the large size, because I usually, in these dresses, I usually get like an extra large, but when I tried it on, it actually fit really well. And then I got to thinking, I'm like, oh, have I been like buying dresses too small? Is that why they look funky? But no, because some dresses will fit the right way and some will not. But anyway, I saw this dress as soon as I walked in, and I'm like, oh my gosh, had to have it. So this is a red dress. Little eyelets on the bottom, cute little, what is this? Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me. It is, I want to say, it's not waffle, it's something else. Oh my gosh, I can't think of the name of it right now. Oh well. Somebody's shouting it out right now at me. I can't think of it right now, but I know there's a name for it and I just forgot. Okay, so anyway, so I tried it on and I absolutely love the way that it looks. It's kind of got like a V-neck here in the top, and it ties with little tassels. I probably won't tie it, but it's cute. I love the sleeves on it, and again, it's red and white, so how perfect is that? So if I don't wear this like to the party on Saturday night, then I might wear this to our family picnic on Sunday, because we're supposed to kind of all wear red, white, and blue for Sunday. It's kind of like a fun family thing. But anyway, love the dress. I love the way that it fit. So when I have it on, obviously I will show you guys. And then I picked up this cute little like really thin like top that it would look really cute with like my tan shorts as well. So I picked this up because it's really like, ooh, excuse me, it's loose, and I liked it. It's stripy, and I like stripes, and it's very lightweight. So I got that. And then I love cardigans, and I love wearing like long sleeve cardigans in the wintertime or in the fall time with like a shirt underneath it, but they had these cardigans there that were like the sleeveless type of cardigan. So I was like, oh my gosh, I love these, because these are so cute to wear with like a pair of shorts. Love them, and they're super long, so they go really, really long on. But I love the way that these are, and they're so soft and so lightweight that it just, you won't get hot in these because they're not like a heavy type of sweater or cardigan. But I just thought that would be kind of actually cute to wear like with this. Wouldn't that be kind of cute to wear? So I got the ivory one or the tan one, and then I got a navy blue one, since that seems to be like a signature color for me is navy blue. So I got this one as well. Like I said, it's just super cute, and I actually like think it was so cute with even what I have on. I love too that it has pockets on the side so you can put stuff in them. But I was just like really happy to like find those and just be like, oh yay, I love cardigans. So yeah, so that's it for one more thing that I did pick up while I was at Old Navy. And it's so funny, I normally never ever wear like other earrings other than like hoops, but how cute are these earrings? They're stars, and how cute would these be to wear with that shirt with the stars on it? I mean, seriously, look, it's like cute little like star shirt with the star earrings. Super adorably cute. So I got those. Just hope I don't forget to bring them so I can wear them when I wear that shirt. But anyway, so that's it for now for Old Navy. Make sure you continue to subscribe to my channel and watch, because I will have a Lane Bryant haul coming up very, very soon as well, with a few things that I picked up from Lane Bryant. But that is it for the Old Navy haul. If you guys enjoyed this, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time on Angie Wonderland.